Let me work through some of these homework problems just in case they're giving you fits. The first one says for each value of x, determine whether it is a solution to x is less than 11. So we're just going to plug this number in where x is, and we're going to say 10 is less than 11. Yes, it is. 11 is less than 11. No, it is not. 14 is less than 11. No, it sure isn't. And 5 is less than 11. Yes, it is. So you're just going to answer yes or no as you compare those. Number 2 says graph the inequality below on the number line. So we have A is less or greater than or equal to -8. -8 is down here. We have an or equal to, so we're going to do a closed circle. That would be that guy right there. Because of the or equal to at the bottom there. We're going to close it up, and then A is greater than that, so we're just going to draw a line that goes that way, just like that. And of course, you're going to be using the tools on Alex there. Number 3 says solve the inequality for x. So we have 14 is greater than or equal to x minus 5. So we're going to pretend like it's equals and not greater than or equal to at first. And if I was solving this as a basic equality, I would add 5 right here because I want to get x by itself. So I'm going to add 5 to both sides. I have to do it just like normal. I would have 19 is greater than or equal to x. We keep this sign exactly the same unless we, probably didn't even talk about it in this lesson, multiply or divide by a negative. So just keep track of the sign. It is important. Okay, so another way of writing this answer is to put the x in front. And remember that we're going to keep that point pointing at the x if we turn it around, and this would be the same answer. Both of those mean the same thing. 19 is greater than or equal to x, or x is less than or equal to 19. And number 4 says solve the inequality for x. We have a little more to do here. So I'm going to go 12 is greater than 3x minus 12. I always want to work away from the x, so I'm going to add 12. The opposite of subtraction is addition to both sides, and I end up with 24 is greater than 3x. And to undo this multiplication, I want to divide on both sides. I did not divide or multiply by a negative, so I'm cool. 24 divided by 3 is 8 is greater than x. Or I can turn this around, keeping that point pointing at the x is less than 8. And I don't think they even asked you to graph it, so that's all you'll need to do.